What's going on, y'all? This is B Taylor and this is DIY recipes. Today we got another what's going on, y'all? This is B Taylor and you are watching DIY. What's going on, y'all? This is B Taylor and you are watching DIY recipes. Today we got a recipe from Blue Apron, pan-seared salmon and tzatziki. So we're gonna turn into this from this. Let's get started. All right, so based on the recipe, we have 3 large steps. We got to prepare the ingredients, start the salad. Then step 2 is cook the fish. And then we're going to finish the salad and serve the dish. And then we can compare what we have versus what was on the menu. All right, let's start with step 1. Just so you know, this is a 30-minute recipe from start to finish. So as we start 1, we are going to make this into starting the salad, where we dry and rinse the beans, half the tomatoes, and roughly chop the olives. So we get started.
You reading?
Yeah.
So you're not gonna show them all that? You tell them?
No, I'm just going.
Okay.
All right, as we are preparing step 1, we cut the tomatoes, we half the lemon, put the lemon into a large bowl, and we cut all of the oregano and the garlic, and we got the beans prepared. The next step is to combine it all and add some olive oil to it. So let's do that now. The last ingredient of the chopped olives in there, we're gonna mix it all up into a salad. All right, on to step 2. We patted dry the salmon. Now we're gonna season it with salt and pepper. And you can add other seasonings as you see fit. All right, this is the pan for the cooking the salmon. We're supposed to put a drizzle of olive oil, but we learned with Blue Apron we gotta put a little bit more than a drizzle. More like a drench. All right, it's hot enough already. We're ready to start cooking. Let's sprinkle some of the salt and pepper on here so it's less prone to stick. Side down, and we are putting it on. We're gonna cook this for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then we're gonna flip and cook for another 1 to 2. As the fish is cooking, you can see the ingredients that we got left. The lemons are already squeezed. We already took a clove from the garlic. What's untouched is the feta, the tzatziki sauce, and the final grains that we have. All right, it's been about 6 minutes or so. Now it's time to flip this over for another 1 to 2 minutes. It's looking nice and crispy. So now we let this cook for another 1 to 2 minutes, and then we'll remove it from the heat. In the meantime, while the fish is cooking the last 1 to 2 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and put the greens, AKA arugula, in the mix with the tomatoes, the beans, and everything else. So the fish is about done. One thing we noticed with this pair of fish is that we had to cook it on each side just to make sure it's thoroughly cooked, because there was a lot of pink left in it. So now we'll take it off. Now that the arugula is mixed in with the rest of the salad, we are going to prepare the dish with the salmon on top and add all of the extra ingredients of feta and tzatziki sauce. All right, so this is the picture for the Blue Apron menu, and after a half hour in the kitchen, this is what we have. Does it look anything like it? I don't think it's too bad for the first time ever cooking, so I consider this a success. Anyway, if you do like this video, click like, subscribe, leave a comment, let us know if there's anything you wanted to see more detail of or something that we could speed through. We're gonna have many more videos like this.